Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you are looking LinkedIn Premium subscription. So this video might be interesting for you. How to get LinkedIn Premium subscription less than $20 using PCMyKey platform. PCMyKey platform are providing redeem code. Using this redeem code, you can get LinkedIn Premium subscription just only $20 for 3 months. How to do it? Let's check it out on my Mac screen. Just simply open Google, type here my PC key. First link is display here. If you click here, Google review, people are providing such amazing feedback related on my PC key platform. The my PC key platform are recognized by Trustpilot and Etsy as well. This is the genuine platform. After that, if we just simply click here, apart from the LinkedIn Premium subscription, my PC key are providing different software premium subscription as well. Very affordable prices. 3-month LinkedIn Premium subscription, business premium voucher redeem link. You are receiving voucher redeem link, upgrade premium account, instant activation, no need to ID and password, email credit, direct message to recruiters, 16,000 plus learning courses is available here. So much more information is available. Before doing this one, I will show you, this is not a premium account yet, but after getting this subscription, the premium account is showing here in IN LinkedIn. My PC Key are providing My PC Key coupon code as well. Using this one, you can get 10% discount for $21. Copy this one. Buy now. The first option is showing here coupon. You just simply click here and put it here, My PC Key coupon code, apply coupon. Final price is just only $18.90. Just simply put it here, the information. Most important parts here, you need to provide email address. You can receive the redeem code on this email address. As a payment perspective here, several different options is available. UPI, PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm and other option. PayPal, credit card, debit card, Pay on, Pay Buzz and cryptocurrency also they are accepting. I just simply go here, UPI app, say select yes, order, and my final price is 1,698 INR. So I just simply generate the QR code, and here I just simply use my phone pay and simply scan this QR code, the exactly amount 1,600, and doing the complete this process, transaction is completed. Now I just simply open here my email address. Look at this here, order related all information we are receiving via email. This is the order number, 5 December, 3 months LinkedIn subscription, price, thank you for manually. This is all the information is here. We need to spend here couple of minutes afterward we are receiving the redeem code. So look at this here, I ordered this subscription 11:26 AM and I am receiving the redeem link exactly 11:33, around 5 to 10 minutes in between. You just simply wait and afterwards you receive this redeem link. One of the important point here, before click this link, you need to log in your LinkedIn account. Which LinkedIn account you want get premium subscription. This is the important. This is my LinkedIn account. I already log in here. Simply now click here, try premium now. Business 16x premium here for first 3 months. After that, I need to pay this one per month. Initially 3 months absolutely free with this particular amount. Just simply redeem the offer. Promotion apply. For that point of view, you need to add here your card detail. So I just simply add here my card detail. As a demo point of view, you need to put it here your card detail. After getting the subscription, you can delete your card detail. Nothing happened. Currently here 00 price due to payment charging comes here 5th of March 2026. Before that, you should simply cancel this subscription and automatically save your money without any problem. Just simply click here, place the order. We are processing request. Welcome to premium business. If I go back here, I just simply refresh and boom, currently account is now premium business. It's very easy process to get the 3-month subscription just only less than $20 with the help of My PC Key platform. If you have any question related on this platform, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.